Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a video in Canva. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to learn how to create a video, edit that video in Canva, and then share that video wherever you like. If you're new here, my name is Steve from stevenjohnson.com. I create videos every week so that you can learn something new that will help you in what you are doing. Hopefully you'll be able to go out and take your designs or your small business into another level. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notifications bell so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. As you can see, I'm on canva.com and I'm on the home page. If you don't have Canva at the moment, that's so good. You can sign up for free. There's a free account that you can use without any charges at all. So you go to canva.com and then go to the sign up page. On that sign up page, you can create an account. As I said, it's free and there's no hidden charges at all. But then if you want to check out all different templates and all different things that Canva has to offer, all this stuff here, so you can then sign up for Canva for Pro. That is a Pro version of Canva for free for 30 days. I can leave the link. I will actually leave the link down below so that you can give it a go and see how you go. By the end of 30 days, you'll be able to decide whether you want to continue with that or you want to stick to the Pro or to the free account. With all that said, let's get into this. So in this video, as I said, we're going to learn how to create a video in Canva and edit that video so that you can use wherever you want. So you can either use it on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or different places where you can, or even as an ad, you can do that as well. So what I've got here, I've got options of what I want to design. So I would click on the video, as you can see there. We've got different options here, the 1920 by 1080, the standard video version, and then the Facebook, and also you've got the mobile one there, and also the other smaller versions there. So I will click onto the video version, the standard one, so we can create a blank video so we can work on that. So the first thing that we are going to do is to add a video there, and I'll show you where to get the videos. You can, as you can see, you've got the canvas there. Excuse me. So what we're going to do is to create from the plain canvas. We're not going to use these ones that Canva provides, so the templates. So we will use our own and then come to the video section here, to the toolbar on the left section. Go to videos, and that's where we're going to get the video there. Click on that, you'll see that the videos are coming here. So we can what we can do, we can look for the videos that are free. If you look at here, if I hover over this, it says Pro, and this one says free, and there will be some that are Pro. So make sure you click on to the free version so that you'll be able to download your video. Otherwise, if you mix them up, you won't be able to download it. So I'm going to go for this one here. So I'm going to click on it and drag it up to here so you can cover the entire canvas. As you can see, it's there. And this video, the first thing to look at is if you look at the scissors up there on the top toolbar there, this scissors tells us that this video, entire video, is 16.5 seconds. So it's too long. We want to trim that a little bit so we can do that. And then what we do, click on that, and then this bar will come. So you see on the edges here, if you take your mouse there, and move, click on it and move, it shows you that you can trim to the length that you want. You can do to the other side as well and just bring it. We can make it like 5 seconds maybe, and see how that goes. And that's it, that's our video there. So the other thing that you can do, if you don't want this section there but you still want 5 seconds, you can then click on that selected area and then drag it to where you want your video to be. So I'll just leave it there. So that's how you trim your video, edit your video. And then if you want now to add another video, you can click onto the add page section there. If you click on that, it gives us another canvas that we can then add another video. We'll look for another free video as well. Let's see which one is free, something that will be kind of related to the first one that we had there. We'll click on that one. So you can click on the video or you can drag it. So this one I've clicked on it and it just comes onto in the middle of the canvas there. So you can even drag it on the sides. And then the other thing that I'll show you while I'm still on this, doing this, just drag it. So you can, if you double click on this video, it allows you to crop it however you want. If you want to cut something out, you can do that. So you double click on the video and then it allows you to crop it. And then once you've done cropping, you click done, and that's the video that you have there. And this video on its own is it's 7.9 seconds. We can trim that as well as we've done before. Just bring it to another 5 seconds maybe, or somewhere there. Then we can move it to wherever we want. So we'll leave it there. So now when you're done, you press done, and now you've got the video. That is the total length of the video of the 2 clips now is 9.6. So I'm talking about the clips because it's video, but in Canva they call them pages because it's 2 different pages. So it's 2 pages, and all these pages, 2 pages or clips, they give us 9.6 seconds. So that's the total length of our video. So now I'll go to this first page there. So I want to add text. That's the next thing that I'm going to show you, is how to add text to your video. So we'll just you can either click on the T on your keyboard or just click text there on the left toolbar there. So I'll click on that, then we can select what text we want. We'll just say let's just take this one. We've got it up there, so you can move it around, drag it. So I'm gonna do that and just leave that one. I'll just put text there, how big it is, however you like it. Then we can change the color if you like, whatever color you want. Yeah, I think that's fine. So now with this, you'll see that if I play just to see how this is, this subscribe button or subscribe text will continue the whole clip, but I don't want that. I just want it to play maybe for 3 seconds. Then I still want that video without the subscriber text there. So what I will do now, so I'm going to duplicate this first clip or this first page. So what I will do, I'm going to come here to the timeline, and on the 3 dots there, I will click on to duplicate, and then you see you've got two same clips. So if I'll go to the first one there, and then I will click on that, then you'll see the first one is got the subscribe text, and then if I click on the second one, it's got the same as well. It's got and I don't want that. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to go to the first one, and I'm going to go to the trim. I'll trim this to like maybe 3 seconds. I'll leave it with that, 3 seconds. And then the next one, I'm gonna start like from, let's say this one is 3, this one is 2.9, so the next one, yes, we'll do it from, let's say, from 3 seconds. So that then I'll take out the text. Then I'll take this text out. Then you will see now. So if we now preview, so we can come up here to the time. That's the length of the entire clip. The entire video is 11.3 seconds. So if I click on that, then we will see that subscriber text will come, and then after 3 seconds it disappears. But we still have that same video, as you can see. And that's how you do it. You add text at different parts of the video, and then trim it according to how you want it, the length you want it. So that's how you add text to your video that you've got now. So the next thing that we're going to do, probably the last one that I'll show you before we complete the video, is to add music to your video. So before that, actually, I'll just add the transition there. Canva, this is a new feature in Canva. So initially you couldn't do transitions in Canva because it's not a full video editor. So now they've included that. They are trying that to see how that works. So you go to that plus section there. If you click on that, it gives you the option to either you add a page or add a transition. So the bottom one is for transition. So we'll add the transition. Let's say dissolve, and then you can select how long you want that dissolve to happen. So we'll do that, and then we'll come to the next one as well. We'll select transition and then a dissolve. I think it was 0.6, and then that's it. So if we preview again the entire video, we'll see how those transitions work. You see dissolve there, then the next one you see they dissolve again. So it's really cool. It's working really fine. So it's not like a real conventional video editor, but you can see what it does really great stuff. So the next thing that I am going to show you obviously is to add music to your video. So we can come up here now and go to audio on the left toolbar. You see there's audio, and then video, you go to audio. So on the audio sections, also we'll need to select the free version as well. As you can see, these ones with the crown, they are pro version. Then we'll just pick one that is free, or you can come up here and then select whether you want one with the vocals or not. You can do that. I'll just leave it as, and then I will just select that one. You just drag it onto the video. It will come up. Yeah, as you can see there, it will come up onto this. So now we've got a video with the music. We can preview and see. See, it's playing, as you can see. So this is really cool, and the music can do the same. You click onto you can adjust the music there and put it where you can to the length of the so you can put it where you want. The part of the music that you want in your video, you can do that as well. And once you've done that, so good, then you can yeah, there you go. So that's how you do it. So we can preview again. I'll just yeah, so that's it, guys. I don't want to make a lot of noise there for you guys. So that's how you do it, guys, and that's how you can create a video in Canva and also edit a video in Canva. So this is how you do. The next thing that you're going to do now is to go to upload or download. There you can then choose the video as an MP4, or you can, if you want, make it a GIF, you can make it a GIF, but this one we're doing video, so it's MP4, you download, and then that's it. You can share this video wherever you want to share in your social media or on your YouTube channel. And guys, if you've got any questions, again, please leave them in the comments below, and I will make sure I answer those questions. Otherwise, guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell that you can get notified every time I post a new video. I really appreciate your support, and it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. So I really appreciate those likes and subscriptions. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You take care.